In the energy quadrant, taking a look at the February crude oil futures contract, which jumped over 1%, marking the second consecutive sessions for WTI crude with a positive close. The high today, 71.56, was up 1.36%. The low today, 70.12, was down 0.68%. And as we get in toward the end of the day, we're still up 0.61%, holding up above that $71 level. That seems to be important to crude oil participants. Holiday travel, probably part of the reason for today. We do have low volumes because it is holiday trading, but according to early reports, the holiday figures may have exceeded projected holiday travel numbers. Air travel seems to be surging, but the interesting part as it relates to crude oil is AAA projected 119.3 million Americans would travel 50 miles or more between December 21st and January 1st. Obviously, that period's not over yet, and that would surpass the 2019 record of only 116 million travelers, with a big percentage of them driving. Last year, 2023, it was 73% of travelers were driving. That could shift a little bit, but still, it's going to be somewhere in that range, we would think. If true, it breaks the pre-pandemic record, and the airlines have already reported that they've had their busiest Christmas season on record. So some analysts are starting to predict that travelers who drove will break those records as well, and we're getting a little bit of a low volume boost in crude oil based on some of that. Also, we're starting to get some estimates from analysts that China may overperform oil demand growth for 2025, although the vast majority of analysts still believe that China's in a slowdown and is likely to stay there. But all of that has added up to a fairly strong crude oil session on low volume today.